Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to copy Facebook link. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, tap on top left profile. Okay, click on three dot option, just click, scroll down, tap on copy profile link, just click, profile link copied. Okay, then check, click on notes, search on note, tap on notes. Okay, then paste your profile link, then done. Tap on this link, just click, then go Facebook profile. That's all. Copy your Facebook link. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.